Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has expressed need for another garbage treatment plant in South Goa. He says Sonsodo plant is not enough to cater to Margaon and surrounding areas. Another plant will be set up by next year with the state-of-art technology. Environment Minister Alina Saldana visited the garbage plant at Sonsodo. Minister expressed dissatisfaction over MMC's failure to segregate the garbage.
South Goa एक long-term solution and short-term solution. असे दोन्ही आम्ही वर्कआउट करतात. खरें म्हणजे तांचो सुद्धा येदो व्हडलो थंय सोनसड्यार इतली गाय हे ढीग जावन पडला पळय ताकाय सोल्युशन जाय. एक्झिस्टिंग प्लांट सारको फंक्शन जायना म्हणून प्रॉब्लेम जाता. देर वील बी एन plant established for which process will be initiated in next 2 weeks. In next 4 to 6 weeks, the process of starting construction should start. And another 9 months to 12 months, the plant will be totally ended. Existing, if it functions properly, it may continue. If it does not function properly, automatically it is 100-ton capacity per shift, which technology has been already identified for the South Goa, at least Salsed and surrounding area.
Meanwhile, Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana visited Sonsodo garbage site on Tuesday. She expressed dissatisfaction over MMC's failure to segregate and send the garbage to the plant.
After coming to the site, and I think the basic problem is that segregation is not being done at source. Okay, if we do that, a lot of problems will be solved.
Minister had a dig at the panchayats for not notifying the garbage disposal sites.
Many panchayats have not yet identified their sites. And I think that is also a problem which has stopped the entire process from starting.
However, MMC complains of lack of funds for segregation of garbage. Our reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
It's still not clear who will actually crack the case and trace the hackers in the government website hacking case. It's third day and hacked government websites remain shut. A team of State Information Technology Department is still trying hard to rectify the hacked websites. FIR has been registered with Porvorim police in this regard, but police facing resource and expertise crunch is clueless as who has committed this cybercrime.
The hacked government websites like of Fire and Emergency Services, Captain of Ports and Printing Press and Stationery remained shut down even on Tuesday, almost 72 hours past. Director of IT Department Nilesh Faldesai said that a team of experts is working on it, and before opening these websites, they want to put in place better security mechanism so that these sites would not be hacked again.
We are in the process of restoring. We don't want to just put it, like that only. We are working on building good security mechanisms so that future we are taking utmost care.
An FIR has been registered in Porvorim police station in this regard. According to sources, Goa police has held a meeting with Intelligence Bureau officials to discuss terror link with hacking incident. But it's still not clear who will actually crack the case and trace the hackers. Police and Information Technology Department are pointing fingers at each other for a cyber expertise. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa police on Monday evening declared Nakabandi at 3 places in Panji city. It is known that the person called the police control room and informed about kidnapping of a girl in a Maruti Swift vehicle at Karanzale. Police immediately plunged into action, but the vehicle was not traced. Panji police inquired the details from the caller and investigation is in progress. However, police has not received any missing complaint.
Immediately आम्ही 3-4 कडेन नाकाबंदी लायल्यो. गाडी ट्रेस जावना. पण मागीर आमी त्या कॉलराक आयडेंटिफाय करून ताका विचारलें जाल्यार ताणें सांगलें की तो तेंच्या ताणें तें पळयलें कितें एक चली आनी एकातल्यान चलो देंवलो आनी ताका हाताक धरून बसयलें गाडयेन. पण अजून पर्यंत आमकां तशें मिसींग बी रिपोर्ट कोणाचो येवना. सो वी आर स्टील इन्क्वायरींग अबाउट दिस. वी कॅनॉट डिस्क्लोज द आयडेंटिटी ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मंट. हय ताका आमी रोखडोच कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो. ताका एड्रेस मेळ्ळो ताजो आमकां. ताजे डिटेल घेतले आमी. पूण तो म्हणटालो एक चलो आशिल्लो म्हणजे एक मेल आनी ती दुसरी आशिल्ली चली. तशें चड लोकूय बी नाशिल्ले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.